back to my channel, guys, and as you can see from the title, today I am making one of my Christmas favorites, some sorrel. So first I start with cleaning out our ginger to remove any impurities, and for this recipe I'll be using dried sorrel. I'm going to place this in water as well to remove the impurities, as sometimes there may be a few grainy pieces in the dried sorrel. So once you do that, you're going to strain out the water and you're going to add that cleaned sorrel to the pot where you're going to put it to boil. And next we go in with our cleaned ginger. I love adding a lot of ginger to my sorrel, so do your measurements as you will. I also like adding just a few cloves in there. It does enhance the taste. And next I go with a few sticks of cinnamon, followed by the fresh peel of one orange. You can also use dried orange peel as well. Go in with a few cups of water. Just make sure that your water is covering all your ingredients. Now I boil my sorrel on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I also allow it to steep overnight. Now I leave all the spices in when I allow it to steep. So this is the following day where I removed all the spices and I just put in some brown sugar to add that sweetening. And my kitchen literally smells like Christmas morning. I purchased a stand and a few glasses just to add some razzle dazzle for my guests. So take a look. If you want the link, please comment sorrel in the comments. Tell me how you make yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.